we're going to present our modified version of the classic Philippine game Patintero. Patintero, also known as Harangang Taga or Tubigan, is a traditional Filipino children's game derived from Spanish word tinte, which means tint or ink in reference to the drawn lines. Tubigan, due to the fact that the grid lines are also commonly drawn by wetting the ground with water. Harangang Taga or Harang Taga, referring to the game mechanics. These are the mechanics of the game of modified Patintero. The team is divided into two teams, the offense team who will cross lines and the defense team who will prevent the offense team crossing the line. The primary goal of the offense team is to cross all the players of the defense team without their towel being caught by the defense team. The primary goal of the defense team, on the other hand, is to prevent the offense team in crossing their line, and while defending they also need to get the towel that are hanged on the waist of the offense team.
The offense team is also carrying a towel along their waist, which they need to also guard them when crossing the line. If the defense team catches their towel, it means that the player is out. In order for the game to start, both teams, the defense team and the offense team, must have a high five. In summary of the modified Patintero game mechanics, if the offense team managed to pass through the defense without their tower getting caught, their towel will be converted into points. If the defense team manages to cut towels of the offense team, it will be also converted into points. If one of the players in the offense team manage to pass through both end to end of the defense team given the 3-minute time frame, the offense team wins the game. That's all for our modified Patintero presentation. Thank you for watching.